Welcome back, guys. So, for if it's your first time coming to this channel, it's Slim OG. Yeah, and I already said earlier we'll be trying to take on the challenge of growing our account from $10 to 5,000 or 10k US dollars. Yes, so this will be using Exness. As you can see, currently the market is closed and this is the real account. We only have $10 in the account right now. So so that you guys can see everything we'll be doing is practically real. You see? So the market is just closed, but currently I have $10 only. So let's not waste much of our time. The previous video I chose some pairs will be trading, but I sat down, then filtered everything, so we can be doing the first week we just pick the trades will be focused on, the other week the trades will be focused on, so that I can be I can be in a nice psychological state when taking these trades, so I can't force myself and force trades that are not making sense, just so I can finish the challenge fast and reach my goal fast. So let's start with this same pair, USD British Pound, GBP USD. You can see currently it's in a nice uptrend. This is a very nice uptrend. Let me first delete all this. This is a very nice uptrend. So pretty much this trade right here is straightforward. You can currently see market has broken above this level, so it's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. This is a new high, and this is a previous lower high, and it has been retested here also, respected 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see this is a nice level of so this is just the daily time frame, and if we switch to the weekly time frame, you can see this nice break out on this level of the same level of retracement. So in the daily time frame, you can see the market was in the weekly time, it's been in a nice bearish momentum, but the market shifted structure, because you can see this was our previous lower high right here, higher low, sorry, this was our previous higher low, and market broke this structure, making a new higher high right there, rejecting this level right there, breaking this level. So clearly you can see market is shifting structure, because it has made something like this, so you can see what the market has made currently. So there is this shift of structure right there at this level, break of structure, yeah, there, and there is also another area of interest right here, and you can see how the market has been rejecting this zone. So this is in the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame is also bullish, the daily time frame is also bullish. Let's see in the 4-hour time frame. Then in the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see, guys, this is a bullish market. You can see the strong bullish momentum. So I'm pretty sure by the time the market will be reaching this level right there, yeah, it will may do something like this. we couldn't. You guys would think, why did they not put the level right here? Because you can see the market already broke this level and retested this zone, so it made a new higher low right there. So there's no point of us putting our level right there. So that's why we'll be taking this trade just we'll be looking for trade opportunities just at this level right here. Yeah. So and you can also see there's some form of head and shoulder or double bottom somewhere there. So we'll be looking for entries at this level right there. We'll be going long at this level and target you can see if you use your fib. Yeah, it's also a nice level. You can see it's under the 50 or 60 level of retracement. So this is a pretty much nice setup. Yeah, so we'll be looking for buyers at this level. Yeah, and we can target our see we can put our stops right there and from there. Yeah, our stops can be right there, and yeah, we can target a 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. Not bad. Yeah, oh right there. Oh, it's 3 right there. So if I risk $10, we might get $30 on the trade or 80. Could depend on how we scale it, but we'll be watching this trade nicely. So this is the first setup we're having. Yeah, but if the daily candle closes above this level, I'm holding this trade until it touches this zone right there. So let me just put this as our first take profit, then this will be our final take profit. So this is my first simple point of interest in this market. Yeah, so then we have USD, Swiss francs. So you can see why I'm picking clear setups, because we need trades that will make us money, not just trade because we want to trade. It has to be a profitable, or at least a 60% winning probability chance of winning the trade. So you can also see the same thing right there. This is in the 4-hour time frame, weekly time frame. You can see market has been making high highs, but here it failed to break this level and it made a new lower. Let me do this so you can see this. Higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. You can see. So there is break. There is a break of structure at this level. You can see it made something like this. So even let's say because this is weekly, the other week if we're trading this pair, I would have just waited for a retracement at this neckline as it did, then sell the market. So we are just going to continue to ride the sales, because the market has already sold at this level, so there is no need of us looking for buys. Then see, so me wait something. So this is the weekly. So let's go in the daily time frame. You can see the same. This what I was just explaining in the previous pair. It's just that they were selling, they were looking for buys. You can see market is being in a nice downtrend, making lower low. It made a new lower low right there. So I just expect a nice retracement in this zone, this level, then sell the market. So the market is making all right. So with that said, that's here. We can just wait here. So while I'm interested in this pair so much, let me just do this, because one thing is weekly, daily, and 4 hour all bearish. You see, this is what we want in the market. Such setups are 100% or 95% guarantee you won't lose the trade. It's either you just get stopped out or you won't lose the trade, because this market is nicely in a downtrend. So some of you would say no, the market already retested level. No, we want a deep retracement. This was just the market just touched this zone, but we are looking for a nice deep retracement inside this pair right there. Then we'll jump in the 1 hours, what hour to look for the trade. But that's the only time we enter the trade, mind you. That's the only time we enter the trade. But if the market continues to push down, let me do something like this. The market continues going down, then we won't be. Then if the market continues going down, we can only be interested if it breaks, then retest this zone again. You see, that's the only time we'll be interested in selling the market. Yeah, but for now we will be waiting for this retracement back at this zone. So then we have a race pair. This is the 4 hour. Before I even go in the daily other higher time frame, you can clearly see this is a nice uptrend. You see, nice uptrend, guys. Nice uptrend. The daily time frame, nice uptrend. You can clearly see the market was in an uptrend, downtrend. Now it's making higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is the previous higher low right there. You see, this is the daily time frame. The weekly time frame is the same thing. You get what I'm saying? And among all these pairs, this is the number one pair I'm like really interested in, because this is a clean trade, guys. If this trade would play out, it can even reach up to this level right there, because this is a strong uptrend move, you see. So I'll be seeing if it closes above this, I'll hold. Closes above that, I'll hold. But I'd expect market to reach this zone right here. So because in the monthly, look at this. In the monthly, the market is in a downtrend. So I anticipate the market is trying to retest this level to continue going on the downside, because you can see this head and shoulder pattern that has been formed right here, you see. So it's like logically you can see it's trying to retest this, then go down. It's trying to do this in the monthly time frame. So but for now we are interested in buying this market. Just wait for a retest at that zone, then we can buy the market. So look, if we jump in the forward time frame, pretty much we can see what's going on in this pair. You can also use our fib to check. You can see it will be at our 61% level. This is very nice. So then we can target up from here to that level right there. You get what I'm saying? Right there. Yeah, then if you see it closes, yeah. So these are the trades, 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. I really want to take these trades. Then you see, it's like New Zealand dollar is trying to retest the zones, then go up, because you can also see in New Zealand CAD is also, we're also waiting for a retest before you can even switch to any higher time frame. You can clearly see what's going on here. We have a perfect head and shoulder in the 4-hour time frame, a nice retest. Guys, please, all we need is a nice retest at that level, then we are well sorted. This is in the 4-hour time frame. Let me go in the daily time frame. So it is better for you like to wait at least 2 time frames are all in the same direction, because so the 4-hour is bearish, they are bullish. So you can see 4-hour bullish, daily bullish, you see. So even when you're taking the trade, there is some logic behind it. Weekly time frame is, let's say, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is still bearish, but still we have two uh we have two time frames moving in the same direction. So this is all we need. So we can even do this right there, because I'm sure the EMA by the time will be there, you see. Then we'll cash out our profit right there. So this is what I like to look for in trades. And don't worry about this. If I do, you see, the structure is ending here. In fact, wait, this is also bullish, guys, because you can see it made this lower low, then a new higher high. This is also bullish. So we are just on the right track with this pair. And in the daily, we have this nice head and shoulder pattern right there. This nice head and shoulder pattern right there. Just waiting for the retest on the neckline, then we can go long. You see? Then for our, it's the same thing. It's the head and shoulder, but you can clearly see it in the daily time frame. So all we are looking for here is sales in this trade. And on this pair, yeah, right there. So this is also a nice trade I would be interested in. Then we can go long at that level and target this. Then we have a nice 127, 126, 127. Yeah, so these are the pairs I'm currently interested in for the week. Let me put this on top because these are the ones we really want to look at. And then we have Australian USD. So you can see Australian USD is almost at the same, almost the same with GBP, with GBP USD, because you can see they are both at their retest zone. These two. Yeah. So this is the Australian US dollar. You can see what's going on right there. You can see what's going on right there. And so we expect a, now this is also bullish. This is also bullish because you can see it was making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, then a new higher high. So we are waiting for the market to test back at this previous level right there. But again, here the tricky part is, will it respect this level or that level here? You see? And here we also have three touches. We have one rejected, two rejected, three rejected, four, 5. So, and this is in the weekly time frame. In the daily time frame, you can see this is also a nice level of resistance and support. You can see how market has been reacting at this. And again, the other one is also a nice level of resistance and support right here. You see, you get what I'm saying? So, yeah, right there, this whole thing. Okay, so what are we going to do? For me, I expect, that's why on a Monday I can't be trading this pair, because I want this pair to make at least weeks, you feel me, rejections, then I can enter longs. But we'll see how the market will open. But this, you can see this level has not been retested. This level has not been retested, but it has already broken this level here. So we'll still just be looking for longs here, but we have to wait for nice confirmation. So you can see this is the 4-hour time frame. They are all bullish, by the way. They are all bullish. They are all bullish. You can see the EMA has been almost catching up with this. So we'll see how the pairs will react at this level. but I'm very confident there is no way for it to drop down because it's already broken this level. The volume is too high unless if it retested while it was in this zone, but we'll see how the market will play out. But for right now, our level of entry is right there. You know what I hate is this bearish candle right here. This is what I don't like, because market can drop to this level and make a strong wick and stop out early buyers also, then go up. So I'll be paying attention to this level. Yeah, I'll be waiting for some price action, and if it reaches this zone, then I'll enter the 4 hour, the 1 hour time frame. Because you can see, I'll wait for some price action, maybe a double bottom or double top, double bottom, head and shoulder, or engulfing candle, then I'll enter buys, just to be sure, because this is a risky zone also. Yeah, but and our target will be this level right there. You see, so that's it for this pair. Then Canadian Japanese. Don't mind these 2 weeks right there. Let me do this. You see, don't mind these extra weeks. Don't mind this. Don't mind this. Imagine this is not there. They now analyze the market. What do you see? What do you see, guys? Tell me what you see. I see something like this. You see, a nice break. This is how the market is moving in the daily time frame, and it's a bearish market. So we are waiting for a retest, then continue selling to the downside. It doesn't get simple as this. This is all we are waiting for right there on the previous neckline here, right there. You see? You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? These are the trades you would want to be taking, guys. Don't just take trades because you want to participate in the market. Make sure you look for high probability trades. And for me, to be honest with you, that's what has delayed my success. I'm always trying to trade each and every pair I see, trying to analyze. Look at this, because look at this. Look at this. So the old me would try to all these pairs have an assumption. And let's say if this pair doesn't give me what I want, I'll come to this pair. That pair. You see? So it used to make me lose and mess with my psychology, because now I'm trading when the market is moving. But now I'm having these setups with a free mind set without no actions. You see? So I know I made this analysis before all these things happened. You get what I'm saying? So it's really nice to like pick the pairs you're interested in for the week. So if you see nothing in those pairs, you're simply not taking any trades that week. Yes, that's what I learned from other OGs I've been watching, like Alex FG. That guy has been an inspiration to me. I've watched, I don't know if it's every single trade of his videos. He's been just been a mentor to me, even though he doesn't know me yet. But we'll get to that as time goes on, you know. Yeah, but like, this is what we are waiting for right there. You see? You see? So let's just wait for a nice pullback. If I go in the 4 hour time frame, we can see what's going on right there. So for me, my only interest is if market reaches this level, not this point. That's the only time I'll be interested in these trades, because it will also be at the 78% fib retracement right there. I won't be interested because I will see this, no, If it won't give me what I want, then I'll let the trade go. But I'll only participate if it comes back to this zone right there. So I expect some price action like this. Maybe 2 days. Yeah, it might take 2 days. Something like this. Then we'll join the trade. So this is my other setup. This is my other setup. You can see it's in a daily, in a bearish trend. Weekly, same thing, bearish. That's previously broke this previous lower low. You can see. So the weekly has a higher chance of forming a nice wick up to this level, then continue going to the downside, or forming this wick, then close with a doji here, then the next candle even up to reaching there. Get what I'm saying? Yeah. So then we have, let me just finish this real quick. Then we have USD Japan. This market is currently in a, it was in a bullish trend, you can see, but now it's in a bearish trend because it has previously body closed below this lower high. You can see, yeah, simple as that. These are the trades you want to be trading, guys. Simple and straightforward trades. Such trades are the trades you want to engage in. These trades. These are the trades you want to engage in. So look at this, the daily time frame. Same thing. Same thing, guys. Same thing that is happening in Canadian Japanese. You see what I'm saying? So all we are waiting for is a nice retest at that level. No rocket science, nothing. You can see this is a bearish market, very strong bearish market. We just have to wait for the retest, then sell the market. Yeah. Then lastly we have this. Forget about this. You see? Forget about that. This is the weekly time frame. You can see it body closed the previous, so it's confirmed a bearish trend market. Same thing, even if there's a slight closure, it will still be counted. So that's a daily movement. See, 4 hour you see clearly now. You see what's going on? A nice complete break of structure right there. So all we are waiting for is a retracement. Then that's it. We are in the trade, just like that, right there. That's all we are waiting for, and all we are looking for, and all we need is a nice retracement at that level and some price action, and we jump in the trade. You see? So then we can target this right there. So we'll be holding these trades for 1 day, 2 days. Yeah, if we want to maximize our capital first, we won't just be closing, because you know most of the time I've been trading, I close my trades earlier then I regret if I held more, I would have made more. So I'll be trying to hold as much as I can in these trades. You see? Yeah. So some maybe I might even hold one while I take another one. So it depends on how the market to be moving. But yeah. So this is another setup. So you can see it's a nice simple strategy. Just wait for retest. Follow the trend. Make sure there are at least 2 or 3 pairs are moving in the same direction. Wait for retest. Check for entry signal. For me personally, I like double bottom or double top. Then a break and retest at the double bottom or double top neckline. That's when I participate in the sale. For me, this is what I like. Or sometimes head and shoulder, sometimes even in style. It depends with whatever the market provides. Yeah. So that's it for this video. I'll be updating you when I start taking these trades.